welcome. My name's Kiara, and since you stumbled across my channel, guess what, boo? We are officially cousins. Yes, you heard that right, baby. We is family now, so don't run, don't hide, because we here now. You hear me? Today's video is all about day one of my water fast. Woo, child, it's been a long time coming. I decided to embark on a 30 to 40 day water fast, water only journey for spiritual reasons and for inner healing and to cleanse my life inside and out. Now, a lot of people hear water fast and think people are trying to take extreme measures to lose weight by not eating anything. And that is the wrong reason. Now, if that's what you choose to do for a water fast for, more power to you. Please make sure you consult a primary care physician or some kind of health specialist to make sure it's the best option for you and your life. But for me, this is not my first rodeo with fasting. I've done it all throughout my life, and I'm here to give you a little bit of background about it. So I've been fasting off and on for years, from intermittent fasting to water fasting. I completed a 5-day dry fast at the end of last year. The first 5 days of the dry fast, I didn't eat or drink anything. Now, this is after tons of self-research, seeing that, the humans can go certain periods of time without food and certain periods of time without water. Usually if you're 3 days without water, then you might die. Well, I didn't die. I'm here to tell the tale. And it was probably the most amazing and liberating experience of my life. Not having to worry about what I'm going to eat, what I'm going to have, what time I'm going to eat, if I ate too much, if I didn't eat enough, if whatever, that was off the plate because I gave up food and I gave up water. Now, some people may be like, Kiara, oh my gosh, how you not eat? You didn't eat, you ain't drink, baby, you trying to kill yourself. What is going on? You all right? Baby, I'm just fine. But they say in order to experience the greatest amount of healing, you have to be able to let go of the thing that's causing you to be sick, the thing that's causing you to need the healing in the first place. Now, I wasn't necessarily sick, but I was turning to a lot of bad things or abusing certain things to kind of cope with emotions, stress, life, personal problems, you name it, baby. I was turning to food as a coping mechanism like a lot of us do. I was turning to alcohol to kind of numb the pain of different emotions. I was turning to weed, which I'm a weed advocate and will probably always be so, but I was turning to it for the wrong reasons, to kind of clear my mind of anything I may have been going through that day or that week, to kind of like escape. But I should be able to do all of those things without another thing or source or whatever to turn to do it for me. So I did that. It was very liberating. I've done a 3-day water fast, 7-day water fast, 14-day water fast, and I did a 21-day water fast, which was hell. But it was only hell because I was doing it for the wrong reasons when I did the 21 days. I needed something to pick me back up. I don't know. I just was a little bit lost on the 21 days. Matter of fact, most of my fast, I was really lost because I wasn't exactly sure what I was trying to heal, what I was trying to recover from, what the end goal was, or more specifically, I didn't have a plan for once the fast ended. People do these fasts and experience great amounts of healing and repair internally, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and in our physical world as well. But when we come off the fast, we go back to doing the same things we were doing before we started the fast, which kind of defeats the purpose. Why complete a 3, 5, 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 days of healing on to go back to doing the same shit that got you there in the first place? Excuse my language, but I just had to say, I have a plan now. I'm ready to experience the ultimate levels of healing. I'm ready to get on the right track. I'm ready to clear my mind of any negativity, any toxicity. I'm ready to just level up in life. And I feel like for years I've needed to do an extended fast of 30 plus days. But anytime it would come around, I would let something or someone kind of get me off my game and keep me from achieving my goals or something that I know I'm more than capable of doing. Because food these days, I'm a food freedom coach. I specialize in helping people and myself essentially eat what we want by getting so in tune with their bodies to know that food is just All food is sources of fuel for the body, and food is meant to be more than fuel, but also pleasurable for the soul as well. Your food is meant to be enjoyed, but also nutritious to the body. And I help people find foods that are equally nutritious and taste good to them so that they can live a happy, healthy, and comfortable life on their terms. Now, even though I do that and have made peace with food, I still need to heal different aspects of my life. And I feel like with this whole COVID thing and the Black Lives Matter movement and people unemployed and just a whole lot of stress in life on top of what was normally going on these days, 2020 has just hit me hard, baby. And I need a reset, reboot, refresh. I need to detox my mind, my body, and my soul. Not with any product, not with any tea, not with any supplement, but just allow my body to do what it was naturally designed to do, which is heal itself, detox and cleanse itself, and rejuvenate and come back 10 times better, all on its own. But it can't do that if you're constantly feeding yourself things that are causing the body to kind of veer off track or delay the process of healing or repairing or recovering or whatever it is you need to do. The fast is basically for healing, to get mental clarity, to kind of get a fresh start all around, internally, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and every other area in my life. Just allow me to focus on leveling up and getting to the next phase and being the best version of myself. And food, for me, is the thing I need to fast from to help me get there. Some people need to fast from social media. Some people need to fast from friends and family. Some people need to fast from relationships. Some people need to fast from drugs. Some people need to fast from marijuana. I am choosing to fast from the majority of those things and just drinking water because it is necessary to survive. So by the end of this fast, my goal is to have a new outlook on life, learn more ways to cope with certain situations and emotions without turning to food or drugs or alcohol, to learn how to better react to certain situations and certain people, and to, again, be the best version of myself. And most importantly, I'm doing this for me, not for anyone else. I don't care about any negative talk about it, any disapproval of it. As long as I'm listening to my body and doing things according to what's agreeing with me, I will keep pressing on. If I ever have a moment during a fast where I'm just like, I feel like I'm going to pass out, I need to eat something, something just don't feel right, I'm going to stop, because at the end of the day, my life and my health is important. The purpose of the fast is to improve my health significantly. However, if my body is telling me, look, that's it, that's enough, you did what you need to do, let's get back to, reality, then I will. But as long as I'm feeling fine, feeling energized, aside from some of the symptoms that are bound to happen, such as, the white tongue coating from your basically system detoxing itself, and some days you will feel a little tired because you're burning a lot of calories just by surviving every day, just by living and being alive. You're burning calories consistently. But of course, with the fast, all you're consuming is water, which has no calories. So there's a catch-22. Some people experience a jolt or burst of energy during a fast after so long. Some people start feeling weak. Some people have a mixture of the two. So whatever happens for me, I'll get in tune with that enough to know whether to keep going, to stop, to modify. Maybe after 3, 4, 5 days, it's like, okay, I need to maybe just do intermittent fasting, or maybe I just need to, take a different approach to this. But whatever the case may be, I'm sticking to my gut, listening to myself, getting in tune with my body, and just doing what's best for me. And I'll be documenting this journey along the way, because I feel like for the longest they say you shouldn't fast and tell people, because it'll not only get you off your game, but because you'll get a lot of backlash and negative talk about it or whatever. But I'm so confident that this is what I'm going to do. This is what I want to do. This is what I need to do, that, hey, I might as well share it with y'all too, because I know a lot of y'all have thought about fasting, water fasting, thought about, kind of healing yourself from the inside out, but weren't sure how to get started, or nervous or scared, or dealing with so much negativity, that I wanted you to see how it actually can help you in the long run, and how it'll allow you to change your complete life by the end of the fast, as long as you stick to it and make sure you're listening to yourself along the way. Fasting is something that has been practiced since the beginning of time, pretty much. I think it's one of the best things you can do for yourself and your body. And again, people are always talking about, I need a detox, I need a cleanse, I need to get that tea, that pill, that sucker, that cookie, whatever. No, baby, your body is a powerful thing. But by constantly consuming things that are holding you down, slowing you down, or the things that are keeping you in a negative space are things that you need to get rid of. If you hold on to them, you'll never grow, you'll never heal, and you'll be miserable. But hey, you gotta first want it for yourself and truly want it. Not do it because I'm doing it. Not do it because you heard it's good for you. Not doing it because other people recommend it for you. Not doing it because it's become kind of popular to go on fast these days, but because what you feel is necessary for you. If not, keep it pushing and find different alternatives to kind of fix your life and heal from the inside out. But for me, fasting is it. Fasting is the key, and that's what I am going to be doing over here. So as you can see, this alkaline water, I got this from Kroger. They were $3.99. With your Kroger number, you save 50 cents, so it was $3.50. I've been drinking today. I don't really know if I can tell the difference between alkaline water or regular water or not. When I first got it and it was ice cold, I think I did, but right now it's like room temperature. I prefer my water ice cold, but whatever, got to get it in by any means. My goal during this fast is to drink a gallon of water per day. But as most of y'all probably know, water sometimes can be the thing that just never seems to go anywhere. Like no matter how much you've been drinking out the same bottle, it's like it ain't go nowhere. Like what is going on? But I digress. I love water. I'm not one of those people who are like, I hate water, water nasty, water. Baby, water is good for you. You made of water. The earth made of water. Water everywhere. Drink some water, boo. Period. But yeah, so not saying that I'll only be drinking alkaline water. I just got it because honestly, to tell you the truth, the only reason I bought this is because I thought the jug, the gallon, was cool, clear. Because all the other ones kind of look a little foggy, you know, like they're regular. It's clear, but it's not crystal clear. I was like, I could use these for something else. Cause maybe $3.50 for some water. But I'm like, if that's how I'm drinking, then I guess, you know, $3.50 is less than I would spend at say McDonald's or whatever. But I digress. And funnest fact though, these were all on the shelf on the 79-cent thing. I'm like, 79 cents, and those look kind of cool. Let me get these. Get to the checkout, $3.99. I'm like, boo. Who? But I had to look. I couldn't look like I was phased, so I had to buy them, and I bought 8 of them. I'm like, $3.50 times 8. That's a lot of money for some water. But I probably won't just do alkaline. More than likely, I don't know. I can't say for sure. You'll see, and I'll see. But I'm not pressed over alkaline right now. If I gotta drink regular water, I will. I don't really care for tap water, but come down to it, I will throw some ice cubes in that thing, drink it on up, because like I said, my stuff gotta be ice cold. I know I said this jug is room temperature, but it's got a little chill to it because there ain't been no lights on in the room where it was at. So yeah, but I digress with that as well. Also during this time, I will be doing a lot of journaling, scripting. For those of you who are unfamiliar with scripting, it's essentially journaling, just speaking in the present tense of what you want. Not saying like I will be successful, I am successful, I will reach my goals, I am going to reach my goals, or I did reach my goals, or whatever. Speaking present tense about what you want in your life. Doing a lot of manifesting that way, a lot of praying, and just hoping, actually correct that, expecting the best out of this. I'm really interested to see how I transform though from the inside out. When I did my 5-day dry fast, you could tell some change. My skin cleared on up, acne on my back and all that stuff cleared on up. Felt energized, got a lot more done. I had so much more energy. But we're going to see where these 30 to 40 days takes me. And I say 30 to 40 days because I know for sure I'm doing 30 days. But if I can keep pushing, I'm going to go up to 40 days as a push goal. But hey, if I don't, I don't. As long as I get my 30 days, or unless my body tells me otherwise, then that's just what it is, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing major has been happening today. I don't feel hungry. Don't even feel thirsty, but I know I got to drink the water. Just been working on a lot of stuff for my business, Curves and Cupcakes. If you aren't already, be sure to connect with me on Instagram at Curves and Cupcakes. It's also linked in the description or on my channel page. Over there at Curves and Cupcakes on Instagram, I post daily health, wellness, weight loss, and lifestyle tips and tricks to kind of make the transition to a healthy, happy, comfortable lifestyle that much more appealing and just being helpful to you, being a valuable resource to you. Kind of like none of the stuff I talk about is necessarily new, but having it all in one place where you can check daily to find different things that can help you along the way, help keep you motivated, inspired, and help keep your eyes on the prize, which is reaching your goals. Well, yeah, that kind of concludes day one. I was undecided if I was going to do if I was going to upload each day individually, or if I am going to record each day and then combine it into one blog style video at the end of each week. But I think I'm going to do them each day. Now, sure, I guess we'll see that as well. I don't like putting too many rules around things that I'm doing. I kind of just like going with the flow. I'm more consistent that way. So whatever you see over here on this channel, y'all, bear with me. I appreciate you watching this video, sticking along, the encouraging words I'm receiving, the support, the love. And I just am praying for the best throughout this journey, praying I experience the healing, the true level of healing I desire in my life, and that an actual change occurs and not only happens, but sticks with me for the rest of my life. And that when I end this water fast, that I've made changes to last a lifetime in a positive way. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my water fasting journey, as well as other health, wellness, weight loss, and lifestyle improvement tips and resources for you. And connect with me on Instagram at Curves and Cupcakes. And be sure to tell a friend about your girl. See you in day 2.